This 2023 Winnebago Forza 36H is a Class A RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Winnebago is 37 feet 9 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 8, TV, slideout, external shower, LP detector, awning, air conditioning, water heater, Colorado detector, stove top burner, leveling jacks, and 84 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear kitchen. This 2023 Winnebago Forza 36H is built on a Freightliner chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.